The Great Discovery is an incredible online platform that is disrupting three major trillion-dollar-a-year industries: the entire education and online e-learning space, the entire affiliate marketing and network marketing industry, and how businesses choose to do business and collaborate online and do e-commerce. They've essentially created a global classroom that allows people from every country, every language, every age, whatever price they can afford, any subject they're looking to learn, any skill level they're looking to learn it at, on any device, at any time, instantly, on demand, in 200 plus countries, in 160 plus languages currently. And they're able to do this through a revolutionary new e-learning marketplace combined with an incredibly powerful affiliate marketing system that pays affiliates out in 7 different ways. And the Great Discovery is on a mission to educate the world and to empower humanity like never before. Now, you're probably saying that's a big dream. How are you going to do that? Well, the organization behind the Great Discovery has actually already done it before. Six Sigma is used by every single major company on the planet and every single branch of the United States military. And so Six Sigma has already transformed the entire world of business. And now they're looking to change how people consume online education, how people do business, and how people communicate on a global scale. And our co-CEO is actually the chairman of the board for the Six Sigma Management Institute internationally. Her name is Sandra Harry, and she is an executive master black belt in Six Sigma. And we are currently on the 4th generation of Six Sigma, called the Great Discovery, which is focused on educating the entire world through a global network of content providers and affiliates. And so, like I said, it is a global classroom for everybody, everywhere in the world, in every language, at every price, on any device, everybody. And they've added this amazing e-learning marketplace that can actually translate your content, your material, your voice, your energy into over 100 different languages and allow you to sell it in 200 plus countries. So I'm going to play you a demo of this software right now. This woman actually speaks Chinese, but you'll see the software will now translate her voice into English, so now we can communicate and understand her.
大家好，我叫思绪，我是一名事业和人际关系导师。最近我发现了一个名为伟大发现的平台。这个平台不仅让我能够
So that's the original. Now here's her voice translated into English. And notice that it also matches her lips. It has perfect lip sync, so it actually looks like she's speaking this language too.
Everyone, my name is Siksu, and I am a career and interpersonal relationship coach. Recently, I discovered a platform called Great Discovery.
That's English. Now here's other languages as well.
Cette plateforme me permet non seulement de publier 皆さん、私はシュウと申します。キャリアと人間関係のコーチです。最近、でコースを公開販売できるだけ 안녕하세요. 저는 생각이라고 합니다. 사업과 인간관계 코치입니다. 최근에 위대한 강좌를 게시하고 판매할 수 있게 해줄 뿐만 Hola a todos. Me llamo Pensamiento. Soy un mentor de carrera y relaciones interpersonales.
So now we can truly communicate and collaborate with over 8 billion people on the planet. And the Great Discovery believes that everybody has something to learn, but also everybody has something to teach. And so the Great Discovery is not only about learning without limits, it's about earning without limits. They've combined the best e-learning marketplace with the most advanced, the most lucrative affiliate marketplace ever created. And so there are multiple different ways that you can get started with the Great Discovery. You can become a content provider, an affiliate, or a learner. But what I want to focus on is the affiliate opportunity. Because, like I said, the Great Discovery may be the most lucrative affiliate program ever created, and especially when connected to an online digital products platform. Now, there are many features of the Great Discovery which we can go into, but I just want to highlight 5 of the main ones which are particularly interesting for affiliates, which is our global revenue sharing, the 7 different ways that you get paid, the lifetime customer commissions, getting paid on all direct and indirect referrals, and having a 100% managed global affiliate program. The Great Discovery has combined a powerful e-learning marketplace with an affiliate marketplace. An affiliate marketplace is essentially a place where all of us can host our products and we can all become an affiliate of each other's products automatically. So having that now allows us to interlink all of our businesses and co-promote each other and not have to manage anything. It's a 100% managed, tracked, and monetized global affiliate program that pays people out in 7 different ways. The other thing that they have is cross-site commissions or lifetime customer commissions. So every single person that you introduce into the Great Discovery, you now earn a lifetime commission on every future purchase that they make. You also get paid on all direct and indirect referrals. So not only the people that you introduce into the platform or that you refer, but all the people that they refer. and all the people that they refer, and all the people that they refer infinitely and without limit. You get paid on all direct and indirect relationships infinitely and into forever. And like I said, there's over 7 different ways that they distribute revenue share, 7 different types of bonuses. And they even have a global revenue share where you can earn shares in the entire company's global sales. So imagine earning shares in all online knowledge sold globally. And like I said, there are many other features of the Great Discovery, which we can go over in a longer presentation. But to kind of summarize it here, what the Great Discovery has done is they've combined the best aspects of many different marketing systems, and they put it into one software that we can now leverage and use for our business. Now, with most online digital products marketplaces or course hosting platforms, you pay them, they host your digital products online, and it's up to you and you alone to go out there and market and sell them. And hopefully you make more than $100 a month, because that's how much most of these platforms cost you every month. And with any other affiliate marketing or network marketing opportunity or multi-level marketing opportunity, you can sell a product with a team, which is nice, but it's never your product. You have to go out there and sell a lotion, a potion, a gadget, a gizmo. It's always somebody else's product. And when you sell that product, you and your team of affiliates make a little bit of money. And then there's an affiliate provider who provides you the links, the training, the system. But the person who really makes the majority of the money in this scenario is the product manufacturer. The person who's actually producing that product earns the majority of the commissions. What makes the Great Discovery so different, what's never been done before, is we get to leverage a global network of affiliates, a network marketing-like model, but we sell our own products and services. And so as the product provider, we earn the majority of the commissions. And so we don't have to rebrand ourselves. We actually don't have to change anything we're doing already. We get to leverage this incredible software, which has never been made publicly available before, for us in our business. So that is what the Great Discovery is. There are multiple different ways to get started. If you are interested, you can become a course creator or a content provider. You could become an affiliate, or you could become a learner. And we'll put all the information to get started with either one of those below. But that is a general overview. If you'd like to see the full presentation, which goes over every single part in a very detailed and logical way, we will make that available.